Hi, this is Greg Davis with MarineMax in Savannah. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the new 2020 Yamaha 195S. It's a great new design for this year. First we'll start in the back. A couple of things they've added on the 195 is the rear stereo control, the back sea deck. And walking up front, one of the big differences this year was the addition of a second helm seat, no bench. Great tower, bimini included. This has the snap-in sea deck. It's great on the feet when it's hot. Moving forward to the helm, it now includes a 7-inch connect screen, phone holder, USB, storage on the side. This year they've gone with the new stereo system. This one has a table mount in the rear. Moving forward, you can see the great seating up front and the two speakers. Plenty of storage in this boat. Giant ski locker. Looking towards the back, great idea to be able to remove your walk-through seat and replace it when somebody needs it. This is going to be a great boat for this area. If you'd like more information on this boat or any of ours in stock, please give us a call in Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thanks and have a great day.